In the ever-expanding world of cryptocurrencies, choosing the right exchange can make all the difference in your trading journey. With numerous platforms available, each offering unique features and services, it's essential to select one that aligns with your trading goals and preferences. To help you navigate this landscape, we've curated a list of the top 5 cryptocurrency exchanges of current year, providing a comprehensive overview of what each platform has to offer. 1. Binance. Website and ANSP. Binance stands tall as the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange by trading volume, offering a wide array of trading pairs and services to cater to traders of all levels. With its user-friendly interface and robust security measures, Binance provides a seamless trading experience. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, you'll find an extensive range of cryptocurrencies to trade, along with advanced features such as futures and margin trading. 2. Coinbase. Website. Coinbase. Renowned for its simplicity and reliability, Coinbase has earned the trust of millions of users worldwide. Catering primarily to newcomers to the crypto space, Coinbase offers an intuitive platform for buying, selling, and storing cryptocurrencies. With its emphasis on security and compliance, Coinbase provides peace of mind to users, making it an excellent choice for those entering the world of digital assets for the first time. 3. Kraken. Website. Kraken. Kraken has carved out a niche for itself as a reputable exchange known for its strong security measures and diverse range of trading options. From spot trading to futures contracts, Kraken offers a comprehensive suite of services to meet the needs of traders. With its high liquidity and competitive fee structure, Kraken remains a popular choice for both retail and institutional investors seeking a reliable trading platform. With a global presence and a focus on innovation, Huobi has emerged as a prominent player in the cryptocurrency exchange space. Offering a wide range of trading services, including spot trading, futures, and options, Huobi caters to traders of all backgrounds. Its user-friendly interface, advanced trading tools, and extensive range of supported cryptocurrencies make it a preferred choice for many traders seeking flexibility and convenience. Bitfinex is tailored for experienced traders seeking advanced trading features and high liquidity. With its margin trading, derivatives, and peer-to-peer financing options, Bitfinex provides a platform for executing large orders with minimal slippage. While catering primarily to professional traders, Bitfinex offers a range of services suitable for traders of all levels, backed by robust security measures and responsive customer support. In conclusion, the top 5 cryptocurrency exchanges highlighted above represent the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for user-friendliness, security, advanced trading features, or global reach, these platforms have something to offer for everyone. It's essential to conduct thorough research and consider your individual needs before choosing an exchange to ensure a seamless and rewarding trading experience in the dynamic world of digital assets.